Hello, good afternoon, and in this short tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to buy Soonak on Solana. To do this we're going to be using Raydium, so first come to our website richysoonak.com and then click on Buy with Raydium. After a few short moments you'll be taken to this absolutely spiffing website called Raydium. Once here, the first thing you need to do is confirm that you wish to trade the Soonak token. Once that is confirmed, you'll be shown the price chart, and generally, because Richie is on his way to the moon, the price chart should look something like this. But let's get rid of that for now. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you're exchanging from Solana to Soonak. And let's just trade one Solana for 12.5 million Soonak. Click on swap. I'm using Phantom wallet for this, but you can use the wallet of your choice. Click on confirm. And down in this bottom right corner, you'll be shown the progress. It shouldn't take too long before the swap is confirmed. This one is taking quite a lot longer than usual, but the swap has been confirmed. It is really that simple. Now you have the additional Soonak in your wallet and you are ready to go with Richie past Rwanda and to the moon.